Hello everyone, I'm Vishwa Gulati and today I'm going to introduce you to your new smart television that's going to transform your life. This is the world's first 40-inch Full HD panel Google certified Android TV. The 40F2A has a A+ grade Full HD panel. This panel meets the highest industry requirement, ensuring clear, detailed and rich picture quality. With the Full HD panel, every scratch after that fight in an action movie, every pore on the leaf's surface and every spot on the tiger will be visible in greater than life depth. Further, with HDR10, your picture detail is enhanced with an accurate reproduction of light and dark shades. This feature also allows you to view next level HDR content from all sources, be it your favorite apps, online streaming, USB ports and your mobile videos. Precision color, high brightness, intelligent color range and 4-dimensional scene optimization can all be controlled or set to auto with the support of IPQ engine technology. This means that every picture you watch on the big screen will now have top-level quality across color, brightness and contrast, giving you an unmatched viewing experience as compared to other televisions. This smart TV also comes with an inbuilt micro-dimming technology. What this does for you is analyze your viewing content across 512 different zones. It then adjusts the brightness and darkness accordingly for each screenplay, ensuring your picture quality and viewing are not compromised in any way whatsoever. With latest Android 8.0 Oreo, you can now sit back and relax and enjoy endless and extensive movies, games, music, shows and apps for you and your family with the full range of Google services. The Google App Store has all your favorite entertainment apps including JioCinema, Netflix, YouTube, Hotstar, Voot, YupTV, Eros Now and many more. All you have to do is say the word and the evening is yours, just the way you like it. This smart TV also comes with officially certified Netflix, which gives you the widest range imaginable in terms of genre and entertainment content. Enjoy Netflix original series, award-winning films and documentaries directly on this TV. Now available in 4K Ultra HD HDR quality. The inbuilt Chromecast makes it possible for you to share your screen and cast your favorite videos, games, apps from your mobile or tablet device onto this TV. One simple tap of the cast button on your Android or iOS devices is all that you need to supersize the things that you love. The quad-core CPU and the dual-core GPU come with 8GB internal storage, making it possible for you to save your favorite content and watch it at leisure. It also makes for easy multitasking and reduced non-responsive situations, making sure that the TV runs smoothly. Dolby Audio creates a rich, clear and powerful surround sound with the Dolby decoder, which optimizes the TV's sound quality and meets all your expectations on sound effects. It also has a smart volume feature which automatically detects the type of TV program you're watching and accordingly adjusts the sound settings. The built-in stereo box speaker has been exclusively designed for the Indian market. It creates a wider and louder range of sound to deliver immersive surround sound, thus boosting TV's sound quality and transporting you across the world through your screen. This TV is a perfect blend of technology, functionality and aesthetics. Its narrow bezel and decorative lines combined with an ultra-slim body gives your display the expansive space it needs to blend into your vision no matter where you're sitting. To finally seal the deal and provide the most immersive experience in viewing available in the world today, you can switch to Sport Mode, which optimizes the display of images and processing of sound, giving you the immersive feeling of being live at the stadium. This makes F2A perfect for your game night get-togethers. With the Android 8.0 Oreo and an inbuilt Google Assistant, the F2A offers an unparalleled entertainment experience that caters to every level of convenience. The Google Assistant ensures that you won't have to toggle between screens, buttons and instructions. All you have to do is speak, dictating what you want to watch, and this smart TV in sync with Google takes care of the rest. You can also sync your calendars, check weather, get movie suggestions and much more by just conversing with this TV. Also, this futuristic TV can control all your smart home devices, so you can now dim your lights and switch on the AC by just talking to your TV. What's better is that this device will be available in local Indian languages as soon as it gets launched in the Indian market, so you no longer have to struggle to understand the Americanized pronunciation of all your Desi words. Well, stop waiting and come join the Flipkart family with this beautiful television. Flipkart assures you of speedy delivery, hassle-free installation, an in-depth demo and a short brand warranty, all at your doorstep. So that's all from me. See you soon and have a perfect buy.